What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an oil change in the 1992 Mazda Miata. It's actually going to be the first oil change since I bought it. So the oil filter wrench I had didn't fit, so I had to wrap a belt around the oil filter, which is down here, and I had to pull, and it finally popped free after a couple minutes. That's Miata. Okay. This is the oil filter. No clue how old this is. Probably not super old. So that's the oil filter. That's the oil I bought. 10W30. You can use 10W42. This is a new oil filter I got. So if you have a Mazda Miata, this is the type of oil filter used for my 92. This is the type of oil filter it needs. So I'm just gonna go in and clean up the excess oil that's down there around where the filter was. That should be clean enough. Alright. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Just making sure to get oil on this. I couldn't get it on camera because it took two hands, but I got the new oil filter in, so that's all good. I gotta put the drain plug back in, and we can put oil in. That should be it. Just making sure to clean up the excess oil around the drain plug. All right. The 19mm. Alright, that should be tight enough. Wrap the oil. That should be good. So I just finished putting in oil. I did 3.8 quarts of 10W30. So that's all done. I just gotta take the car off the jacks now, let it run for a little bit, make sure the oil's all good. There's no leaks. So how this thing starts, switch panel. Don't know why my blinker's on. Alright, so switch panel. So that bitch is in neutral.